Passion, perfection, pride. That's Timepiece Fix, a family of watchmakers, 3 generations strong. We don't buy, sell, or trade. We focus purely on the art of repair. Every timepiece is serviced right here, in-house, never subcontracted, never rushed. From Rolex, Cartier, and Breitling to antique and grandfather clocks, we restore precision and preserve history. Our low overhead means fair pricing, and we never mark up parts. You choose between genuine or aftermarket. We recommend only the best. Most Rolex services take just 1 to 2 weeks, and antique clocks 2 to 4. And yes, we make parts when needed. Full-scale watchmaking under one roof. We invite you to visit us Monday through Friday from 9 to noon. After that, we close our doors to focus solely on crafting the quality you expect, without interruption.
Timepiece Fix, where passion meets precision, and your time is truly valued.